I'm hearing a lot about robotics and process automation, but what applications do they have in manufacturing?
Automation is any technology which cuts down the need for human involvement. It has a wide variety of use cases in manufacturing, most commonly in organizations that produce products of high volume but low variety. You could also use it for batch products like automotive engine components, or high variety products like bespoke furniture.
Should I be using robotics and process automation?
Well, it solves a variety of business challenges, some of which you may be experiencing. The most common ones include taking care of mundane and repetitive tasks, which increases the capacity of skilled employees who can focus on more valuable work, improving quality and reducing waste, as automated systems increase consistency and result in fewer mistakes, and creating a safer environment given that robots can take on dangerous tasks instead of staff.
Are there any other benefits?
Tons! I'll list a few. Improved productivity, enhanced product quality, an upskilled, more fulfilled workforce, better data capture and process oversight, reduced downtime, and higher compliance.
What do I need to consider when investing?
Whilst robotics and process automation are very beneficial, there are 3 core challenges associated with them. The first is an unclear project scope. You'll need to know precisely what you want before moving ahead with a tech supplier, so they can have clearly defined outputs and process metrics when designing your system. And this also means you can quantify the benefits against your key metrics, justifying the business case. The second is a lack of suitable skills to act on an automation project. And the third is the perceived cost. Incredibly complicated systems can cost between £50,000 and £100,000, but there are simpler solutions too, and these start at less than £5,000.
It all sounds like a lot to deal with. How do I even get started?
I understand. That's why Made Smarter is here to support you. The first step is simply getting in touch with us. We can help you with the entire process, from scoping and acquiring quotes from suppliers to aligning expectations and implementing the project. An informal chat with one of our specialist technology advisors is all it takes.